In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money using Wise. Whether you're new to Wise or just need a quick refresher, I've got you covered. Let's dive right in and take you through the process step by step, making sure we leave no stone unturned. First things first, you'll want to open Wise. This can be on your desktop browser or the app on your mobile device, whatever suits you best. Once you're in, you'll need to locate and click on Send. This is your gateway to transferring money, and you'll find it easily on the home screen. Now, here's where you need to enter your recipient's details. If you have their email handy, go ahead and type it in. But if typing isn't your thing, Wise has made it simple by allowing you to just click Add Recipient. This can be particularly useful if you're sending money to someone you've sent to in the past or have in your contacts list, saving you time and ensuring accuracy. Moving on, it's important to select the correct currency. Your recipient might be in a different country with a currency that's different from yours. Wise excels at handling multiple currencies efficiently. You can choose to find on Wise for more information or dive straight into entering the details. In this case, we'll be selecting bank details since we'll be focusing on transferring to someone's bank account specifically. Once you click on bank details, you'll need to specify that you're sending money to someone else. Here's the point where precision really matters. Make sure you carefully enter all of their account details. Double-check things like the account number and the sort code. Errors here could delay your transfer, so take a moment to get this right. After you've double-checked everything, click Continue to move forward. Next, you'll be prompted to enter the amount you intend to send. This could be a major decision depending on the exchange rates and fees, which Wise will typically show up front. Enter the desired amount and pay attention to any conversion that's happening, as it impacts how much your recipient will receive. After entering the amount, Wise gives you a chance to review all the details of your transaction. This step is crucial. It's your opportunity to double-check your entries, confirm that the fees and exchange rates are what you expect, and ensure your recipient's account details are spot on. Don't rush through this. When you are satisfied that everything is correct, the final step is to click Pay. This essentially confirms your transaction and sets it in motion. Wise will handle the rest, updating you once the money is on its way to your recipient. And there you have it, a simple, seamless guide to sending money using Wise. Thanks for joining today, and happy transferring.